Start பண்ணலாம்.
Yeah. Greetings everyone. A very good afternoon and hearty welcome to all. It's a wonderful day and I'm super excited to have you here. Excited about all the amazing knowledgeful conversation that we are going to have today. I, Sanskriti Raje, Assistant Professor of Forensic Science and host of the today's event on the behalf of Department of Forensic Science, GTN Arts College, Dindigul. It's my honor to welcome you all to this webinar on creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship on the behalf of National Innovation Day, organized by Department of Forensic Science in association with Institutions Innovation Council of GTN Arts College, Delhi. To add up to our knowledge, we have with us our honorable guest, Dr. Sumik Thareval sir. Sir, it's good to have you here and thank you for joining us. Now I request our respected principal, Dr. P. Balaguru Swami, sir, to conduct the presidential address. Over to you, sir.
What is over? Okay. Madam, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible. Hello.
Of this wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Madam?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Yes, Dr. D. Sumek Thareval, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Manipal University, Jaipur, Rajasthan, and former Fellow of UGC, SAP, BSR, Government of India, and Fellow Avishkar, Government of Maharashtra, who is going to deliver a wonderful lecture on creator of the Department of Human and Forensic Science, Gurand Krishna Ravan, Madam Miss Aswar, who is going to deliver the vote of thanks, and my dear faculty of the Department of Forensic Science of this prestigious institution. On behalf, and my dear student friends of our own institution and participants from all over India, very good morning to you all. First and foremost, I wholeheartedly appreciate the Forensic Science for having arranged this type of wonderful webinar on National Innovation Day in collaboration with the institutions and Innovation Council. My dear friends, perhaps you may all know that the establishment of the Institution and Innovation Council in the higher educational institutions is only to equip the potentiality and other hidden talents of the budding scholars to start an enterprise and to become entrepreneur. This is the prime motto of the formation of this Institution and Innovation Council in the higher educational institutions in accordance with the guidance of the Ministry of Education, Government of India, New Delhi. Today, the faculty fraternity are organizing this National Innovation Day. Our respected resource person is going to deliver a lecture on creativity and innovation and entrepreneurship. Being a president of the Innovation Council and also being the presidential address, I have to highlight some 1 or 2 points of the main theme of this wonderful webinar. The National Innovation Day exists to encourage young people to be creative and innovative. While the day focuses on those in their formative years, innovation need not stop with maturity. For those who are may both encourage the young and dabble in their own innovations today. Innovation deals with making changes and introducing new ideas to things that already exist. It is a way of looking at what is and imagining a new and better way of doing it. There are many young people who have been innovative in the past and have given us things we use today. It has become something of a buzzword these days, but it is one that represents an important concept that is constantly and finds new ways of doing things. They have been a part of innovation. Whether this happens at home, on local level, corporately, or on the international level, such accomplishments come out of the world are innovating, creating new ways for it and experience the world. Innovation today working in conjunction with the Society of Chemical Industry are regularly those who were not just producing technology, but to those who were pushing the envelope on what could be done and what was possible. These organizations know that every new idea or invention, every new step forward is based on the work done by the innovators of the past. This is true today and will continue to remain true in the future, which makes it that much more important to honor those innovators of the past who have laid the foundation for today and for the future. Innovation days may be held throughout the year by companies and organizations who are seeking to find opportunities and acquire great ideas from all through their infrastructure. What sets these innovators apart is that they look at present knowledge and technology and beyond their present applications. As society changes, the use of technology changes with it, even existing technology. This means that innovators need to be able to understand not just the present context that technology exists in, but the future implications of that technology. From this broader understanding, they can develop new technology that better suits the uses that old technology has been put to. This understanding can also inspire new forms of technology that hadn't previously been considered. As innovators work, two vital things that are essential are for them to think outside the box and to always be looking forward. These are the vital things. That is why Innovation Day was created to represent and inspire these people to great heights. My dear friends, get ready to celebrate Innovation Day. The wonderful lecture to be given by most respected resource person Dr. Sumek Tarwal on creativity, innovation and entrepreneurship will definitely help the participants to enable themselves, to enrich themselves, to become a wonderful entrepreneur. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Once again, I congratulate Mr. Krishna Sonavan and other faculty fraternity having arranged this type of wonderful seminar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your guidance. I request our head of the Department of Forensic Science, Mr. Krishna Sonon sir, to welcome our today's guest.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So, good afternoon to all one present over here. My dear respected friend, Dr. Sumek Tharewal sir. So today I'm going to introduce about our today's resource person. So our resource person, Dr. Sumek Tharewal sir, he has completed his MSc in Computer Science from MGM Dr. G.Y. Patirkar College of CS and IT, Aurangabad in 2011, and PhD in Computer Science from Department of Computer Science from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad in January 2021. So presently, sir is working as an assistant professor and research guide in the Department of Computer Application at Manipal University, Jaipur from December 2022. So previously, he has worked in various institutions like Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad, Government Institute of Forensic Science, Aurangabad, Vivekanand College of Aurangabad from last 9 years, and he is working in this arena. He was the former fellow of UGC SAP, BSR, Government of India, and former fellow of Avishkar, Government of Maharashtra. He is the reviewer of World Journal of Engineering by Emerald Publications. Now I'm going to speak about sir's areas of research. So he has done his research on various areas like biometrics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, pattern recognition, image processing, computer vision, deep learning, and Internet of Things. Sir has published more than 41 various publications like in national conferences, international conference, various journals, and he has published book chapters also. Sir has owned various, a total 9 patents. Inside that, he is having 3 Indian patents, 5 Australian patents, and 1 African patents. Apart from this, he is having 2 copyrights also. Sir has completed various projects like multimodal biometrics system development, multimodal biometrics human recognition system using 3D face and 3D ear, heart rate variability based on multimodal biometric system for human authentication and identification, then design and development of low-cost 3D scanner, human heart disease, prediction and classification using machine learning approach. Sir has received various awards like Research Excellence Award 2019 by the Institute of Scholars, Bangalore, India. Then sir has worked as sir has received UGC BSR fellowship also. Then sir received the first prize at university level Avishkar. Then sir has received in 2014. Then sir has received second prize at university level Avishkar in 2017. Then again sir has awarded with the second prize at PG poster level under the discipline Engineering and Technology in 12th Maharashtra State Inter University Research Convention Avishkar in 2017. Then sir has got selected for Avishkar Research Fellowship by Government of Maharashtra during the interval of July 2018 to June 2020. During his research work, sir has visited various countries like Italy, France, Spain, Turkey, and Dubai. Apart from this, sir is working as a member for various professional bodies. And apart from this, sir has given the various expert talk on various subjects. So with this, today I welcome Dr. Sumek Tharewal sir. Please kindly start your class.
Thank you, Krishna sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Yeah, thank you for the nice introduction. And first of all, I would like to thank the GTN Arts College, Dindigul, Tamil Nadu, India, and all the management authorities, leadership of GTN College. Also, I would like to thank Principal of GTN College, Dr. P. Balguru Swami sir. Then also I would like to thank my friend Mr. Krishna Sonone sir, who is the head department of forensic science, Sumit sir, and all the faculty members for giving me an opportunity to deliver a session on this relevant topic, which is very trending and demanding. And as per the Institute of Innovation Council and Government of India and Ministry of Education is concerned. So they are continuously focusing on those areas, and Honorable Prime Minister is also supporting us to be an entrepreneurship and the startup India. The government of India is also focusing on this. So thank you once again for giving me an opportunity to deliver a session on this topic. So let me share my screen. My screen is visible, sir? Yes?
No, sir. No.
Just a minute. Now it's visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay, yeah. So today I am going to deliver a session on creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. So these are the content of today's presentation. So we will start from the simple definition of the creativity, innovations, entrepreneurs, as well as we will go through the content which is highlighted by the creativity, some of the creativity questions. And we will also discuss the innovations, what are the innovation myths, what is entrepreneurship, and how you are become a successful entrepreneur. Then what are the three components of the creativity, what is the innovations, and what are the opportunities. Suppose I am giving you one options like a pizza business, because nowadays everybody wants to start their own business and become a successful entrepreneur. So and I'm expecting from you people, because the session is very informative and we will discuss so many things. So please make session be in interactive. So I'm expecting from you side you can interact with me whenever I ask the question regarding this, right? So the creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship is concerned. So basically the creativity, many times we are saying that some people is really creativity, having some creativity minds, and they are always thinking out apart from the problems which we are facing nowadays. Also creativity, we can say that it's a new things, and also the innovation and doing the things. So we will just go through the little definition of the creativity, and after that we will deeper insight about the creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. So creativity, creativity basically is the ability to develop the new idea. So whenever years or apart from the people who coming from your societies, and every times we are discussing so many things. So in that discussion, formal or informal discussion, so many ideas are comes out. So what kind of these ideas? So we are having the ability to develop that new ideas, not only for the old ideas, we are having the new ideas, and to discover the new ways for looking at the problems and the opportunities. So whatever the problems day-to-day life we are facing, and what are the challenges nowadays we are facing, like I am giving one of the best examples. Now from last 2 years, we are suffering from this pandemic COVID-19 situations. So the people having so many creativity minds are working in that area, and they are having some ideas, because the scientists who discovered the COVID-19 is infected by person to person, right? And so that's why they are doing some creative things like wearing the mask. It is one of the things which we can avoid the COVID-19, and we are having kind of things is available in the market. So what are these things? So these are the inventions. So somebody or some scientist is invented a particular thing. So they are thinking about the new ideas, and whatever they are discovering, that new ideas. So those ideas will definitely helpful for problem solving approach, and they are having so many opportunities. So every day we are facing the problems, and we are having lots of opportunity with your day-to-day lives. But we are having always we focus in terms of the creative minds, and whenever we are thinking about the new ideas, and these kind of the new ideas will develop to discover, and we will using these kind of the ideas, we will solve out the particular problem. So that is the creativity. So the next thing is that what is the innovation? So innovation is the ability to apply the creative solutions. So first of all, we already discussed the creativity. So in the creativity, what we discussed, it is the new kind of the ideas, and using this kind of the idea or creativity, having the ability to discover the problems and the opportunities, right? So we are already have an idea, and with this idea we are finding out some creative solutions, and those solutions which is really helpful for the problems and opportunity. So in order to this kind of the solution, it will be helpful for the people, societies. So this is called as innovation, right? And somehow we can discuss like that this product is very innovative. So what is the innovative? Because this is the new product, this is having a new idea, and whenever we are doing your best with your creative idea, and we can design a prototype, so that should be considered as a innovation, right? So in the simple way we can discuss what is the entrepreneurship. So basically in a one line definition we can say that entrepreneurship is nothing but it is a combination of creativity plus innovation. So let's discuss, forget about all this COVID-19 and pandemics, and forget about the mask is already available. Suppose I have an idea to stop the COVID-19 situation. So what doctor says that it is it will be affected by person to person. So just I have an idea, can we design a mask? So this is the one idea, right? So this is the creative things, and whenever I am designing the mask for wearing the people, so this kind of the innovation, and this my idea and the innovation being commercialized, and I am selling out that product, so that become an entrepreneurship. So this is the main difference. I think the concept related to the creativity, innovation, entrepreneurship is clear to you. So this is the simple one line definitions, and throughout my presentation I will focus on the detailed points regarding the creativity, what is the innovation, what are the creativity questions. Suppose we have to ask what is the product, what are the types of the innovations, how we can say that this is the innovative product, how we can differentiate like creativity, innovation, entrepreneurship. And also people are getting confused to explain the things like what is the invention and innovation. Those are the two different things. So we will discuss those things, right? So this is the next topic is from creativity to the entrepreneurship. So we are having the creativity. Creativity means thinking the new things. We are having thinking the new things. Once we are having some ideas, we are thinking out, and we are finding some problems. Right? After that, the next step is the innovation, doing the new things. Whatever the ideas in your mind, and that idea you are supposed to converting in terms of the product or the prototype. So that is the innovation. And you are commercializing that innovative ideas, so that is called as your entrepreneurship. So creating a value for the marketplace. Suppose I am already give an example of this mask. So mask developing the thought process of the thinking idea is like design creativity. Suppose I am designing that particular mask, so this is the innovation, and I am commercializing that particular mask, or I am selling out that particular mask in terms of the marketplace. So that is the entrepreneurship. So this is the major difference. Don't get confused regarding the creativity, innovations, and the entrepreneurship. So now we will start one by one, right? So this is the things which we want to discuss in today's presentation, like creativity, innovation, and we can collaborate the things with the research, because everybody in your graduation, your post-graduation, your MPhil, your PhD, or some of the researcher or the scientists, those are working in the particular domain or particular area. So what we are doing in the research? So in the research already things is somebody is invented a particular things. So we have to just sort out what are the drawbacks there, what are the challenges, what are the opportunities in existing systems, and we are basically finding some problems, right? So finding problems, and to suppose we are find out a particular problem, and after that we are thinking like this is the new concept, or this is the new features, this is the new product. Suppose I want to develop, so this is my idea. Then again, suppose I am converting that idea into prototype, or in terms of designing some kind of the ideas into the productive format, and these productive format which is helpful for my society. So this is my contribution towards my society, and this is the innovation thing. So now the researcher will believe that we can become an entrepreneur, because already we are finding out some problems, and once we find out that particular problem, we are working on that, and this problem becomes your objective for your research. Suppose you are doing some kind of the research, So also you are having doing some creativity, you are also doing some innovative things, and suppose once you completed your research and you may want to start your own company or your own business, so that things come under the category of entrepreneurship, right? So we will see the entrepreneurship is what we can also express in terms of the definition is considered. So entrepreneurship is the result of discipline, a systematic process of applying the creativity and innovations to needs and the opportunities in the marketplace. So whatever the things which you have like creative ideas and you are designing some product, you are applying your creativity in terms of the innovations, and that kind of the innovations will fulfill the requirements of the peoples, or it is a needful, and we are selling out through the marketplace. So this is called as the entrepreneurship. And they are having the creative proposals, actions, they are having some business plans, they are also doing some random kind of the research, they are thinking, they are making some product, they are designing some gadget. So like suppose somebody is doing some business, right? So this is also come under the category of entrepreneur. So for that purpose, we are having the Institute of Innovation Councils, then Startup India, your government, our government is continuously supporting for that, and we are focusing. What we are doing, what is our basic habits is that suppose I am using the smartphone, so I always having be online and doing something unnecessary things like always I am using WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. So instead of that, always means we are having a bad habit in terms of we are already we doesn't design any new product. Just we are thinking that this product is already available, so we are just going to the market and buying this product. So instead of that, you have to create your minds and you are thinking like that, can I design this kind of the similar product? What are the drawbacks of these kind of the products? There are so many opportunities in front of you, in front of you guys. So let me give one example. One of the Bollywood movie in Akshay Kumar, I think Padman. So the Akshay Kumar is selected for the UN, means United Nations, for giving the presentation. He designed some machines who is useful to make a pad for women's, right? So that time he says a very good kind of a thought. Like in India, we are having a lots of opportunities, because suppose you are what we have to do in the creativity, innovations, and entrepreneurship, or what is the new thing. So we first of all focusing upon the focusing on the problems. What are the problems inside, in front of you or beside you, right? So in India, our country having a lots of problems, and suppose we are having a lots of problems, then we are having a lots of opportunities. So you just click, you just select one kind of a problem, you are started working, you will start working on that, and definitely this idea will become a very innovative kind of a things, and one prototype or one product will be outcome of this idea will be one kind of a product. And this product, suppose you are going to commercialize, or you are selling out, or you are starting your own business, you are starting your own enterprise, you are starting your own company. So this come under the category of entrepreneurship. And for that purpose, Honorable Prime Minister, Government of India, and the Startup India Challenge and Competition is supporting out you. And in terms of that, they are having the incubation centers. So we are okay. So we will discuss the 4 phases. So there are important activities are follows, like in terms of the creativity is thinking. How many of you are aware about this creativity, or how many of you just thinking about some ideas or some creativity? Suppose you are doing discussions with your friends and the families. How many of you are having the ideas? Like, yes, anybody? How many of you are thinking like, suppose I have an idea and I have to design some product, I will design some prototype for that. And how many of having a dreams like I want to become a successful entrepreneur, I want to start my own company? Yes, how many of you? Everybody having one aim in his life, right? And I think the Institute of Innovation Councils are working in your college, right? How many of aware about this Institute of Innovation Councils, these ideas and the startup incubations? Yes. Are you aware about these words? Have you heard the terms? Yes or no? Yes. Because you are the students of your uh, graduation and the post graduations, and I think you are very excited to learn about this kind of the concept. Okay, so we are having the 4 phases with the important activities. So what are the 4 phases? Like background or the knowledge accumulations, and the second thing is incubations, third one is the ideas, and fourth one is the evaluation. So whenever we are talking about the background knowledge, so just like as we came to know about this background knowledge in terms of the readings, like some professional conferences, suppose you are reading some books or some magazines, some current latest issues of that particular magazines, like those who are already published, right? So in terms of readings, or suppose you are attending some conference, the national or international conferences, or we are talking somebody, or we are visiting some library, so then you have to realize that this kind of the problems is available, or somebody is doing research in that particular areas, and we are having some opportunities and challenges in that area, right? So after that, the incubation process, so that is the things, suppose you are having an idea and you want to develop that particular idea, so that time the incubation process will start it. So they are having some pre-incubation and the post-incubation things are there. So you have to just do some exercise and you are sleep on it, means you have to work on that particular things. And then idea, or we can say that the eureka, this is the third component. So using this idea, you are having the experience, or usually they will be surely formulate that particular solutions. You are in terms of you are having some experience, and as per your experience is concerned, so you came to know that there are some problems, or there are some challenges which is available, and we can overcome that kind of a problems or the challenges using the solution of my idea, right? And the fourth one is evaluation or the implementations. Once you are evaluated, so then I already discussed you regarding the innovation. You have to design some prototype, or you are having some advice related to that, right? So then we are having some creativity things, we are developing some process, we are changing of the things, and those are really helpful for the societies, right? So then I design some creativity questions, like what in terms of these questions we can say that how our mind is creativity, having creativity or not, or can we do some creativity kind of a thing or not. So I have designed some 12 questions. So like the question is there is a new way to do it? Already the way is available. So we are finding out, is there is any new way for that, right? Suppose I'm telling you, can you write 8? Okay. So somebody is directly write in terms of Hindi, somebody is write in terms of the English, sometimes somebody is writing in terms of the EIGST, okay, or somebody is EI and 8. So there are so many things. I think this kind of the things which is going on in your day-to-day life throughout your WhatsApp and Instagram. Suppose you are chatting, so there are so many things which people don't know, because every day we are discussing your friend, or you are having some shortcut keywords for that or short form of that, so you are just saying that. The second question is, can you borrow or adopt it? Can you borrow that particular things, or can you adopt that particular things? Then third question is like, can you give it in a new twist? The product is already available, so can you give in a new twist? Suppose some product, suppose the smartphone is already available, so can you again launch the new smartphone who is having a better performance, better kind of the features, or you can do some new twist, like foldable smartphone is also available, some covers, so many things are there. Then the question fourth, do you merely need more the same? You can also design the same product. Then again I can ask the question like, do you just need less of the same? You are having a less just need of the same, or is there any substitute? Suppose you are thinking, suppose you are using some product or something, which you have, and you are thinking like that, can I design the same product, can I having some substitute for that, can the parts be rearranged, so can we rearrange that particular parts which is available in that particular device. Okay, then what if we do just the opposite, can we do for just opposite for that, so this is also trending. Then can ideas be combined, suppose we are having the ideas, can we combine that particular ideas, right? So this kind of the questions. Then can we put up into the other users, so suppose there is a one product and a particular crowd is, or particular peoples are using that particular product, so can we give an options, or can we put that into the other users, can we increase the number of users, right? Then what else could we make for this, what we can make for from this. Like the next question is, are there other markets for it, so we are having just only the peoples are designing or developing some product and they are selling only in Tamil Nadu, so they are having so many options like Maharashtra, Rajasthan, so many options, or outside the country can we export that particular product. So these are the things which is come under the category of the creativity. And suppose you are having some the questions like the creativity, then you are a creative person, right? So then again be aware that there are some numerous barriers. Okay, there are so numerous barriers and creativity, including like what are the barriers about the regarding the creativity is concerned. Like the first thing is like searching for the right answer. There are so many questions, but always you have to try to find out the right answer. What is the right answer for my question? So this is the thing. Then focusing on be logical. So always focusing on be logical. I think some of you are also having a subject of a programming language like C and C++. So you have to use your own logic for that and design and develop your own program, right? For addition, subtraction, or anything else, right? Then sometimes you people are following blindly rules. Following means we are not studying that what we are we have to follow that particular rules or not. So don't be blindly follow the rules. Then constantly being practical. So constantly we are having being practicals. Then weaving the play frivols. So we are also having the some playing some frivols. Then also being overly specialized. We are having some specialization. So many things are there, but we cannot interested in so many things. We are having a particular domain. We are working on that particular domain, and we are having a specialized. Like there are so many doctors. So, but they are having specialization. Somebody is specialized in a skin. Somebody is specialized in anesthesia. Somebody is specialized in radiology. Somebody is specialized in your orthopedics. So we are having specialization. Like I'm having so many domains, but I'm specialized. My specialization is biometrics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, right? So then avoiding the ambiguity. We are having ambiguity means we are having the confusion. So we always avoid to that particular kind of a confusion. Then fearing looking foolish. So we are always having a fearing looking too foolish. Then fearing mistake and failure. So always we are having doing some mistakes and failures, but don't worry. If you are doing some mistake and we are getting the failures, means you are in the right direction. Then believing that I am not a creativity. So always we are being that, believing that I am not a creativity. So I want to give one example. I want to give the two example. First example is Louis Pasteur. So who is a Louis Pasteur? Are you know? Yes. So Louis Pasteur is a French inventor who developed so many things, and also Louis Pasteur developed your rabies kind of the things which we are infected by the dog, right? So that time it's Louis Pasteur is going, he is continuously running out of with the dogs and finding out what kind, suppose dog is doing having some infections and what we are to overcome that kind of the thing. So that time people of the French people or the Francian peoples are just saying that what is the stupid thing suppose these people this person is doing. And after that the Louis Pasteur is launched the solution for the invented the solution for the rabies. So that time जो लोग उस पे हंस रहे थे, those people are just felicitating him, that particular person. And the second example I want to give you related to this, believing that I am not creative. Always being that just like always we are lacking of confidence and we are not believing ourselves. So this is the major drawback of our Indian peoples, right? And just I want to give you, let me tell you one example regarding that. Recently, I think you are reading the newspaper or watching some news channels. So uh, one girl from India is recently selected for the Miss Universe, right? So the question is asked at Harna Sandhu, the name of that particular girl. So the question asked by the jury people from that girl is how we can believe yourself. So they can, she can answer that particular question. So always believe in yourself and be confident. I can say that umbrella can't stop the rain, but it gives the confidence to stay in the rain. So we are having a confidence and don't think like that I'm not a creative. You have to always be positive. So then we will move towards the innovation. So basically, the Stumter in 1934 was the first point of importance which we have a value created for the entrepreneurs. In 1934, the historical invention of the started related to the innovations. And then after that, the Carland and the Hoy is in 1984 extended the specific ideas who Stumcher's having and saying that the entrepreneurs, they are saying that who is the entrepreneurs introducing the new goods. Somebody is introduced the new goods that become under the category of entrepreneurs. Introduce the new services. Somebody is introduced the new services, right? Because for we can few years ago we don't know about using this mobile phone, smartphone, or the computers. We can book your hotels like Oyo comes into the picture, right? Then introduce the new methods of the productions. Suppose introducing the new methods of the production, open the new markets. Suppose they are opening the new markets, open the new resources of the supply, reorganizing the industries. So all these factors come under this the entrepreneurships, and this will be invented by jointly the Carland, Hoy, and Bolton in 1984, right? So there are the four basic distinct type of the innovations like the invention, extension, duplications, and synthesis. So what is the invention? Invention is described as the creation of the new product, right? And service of or the process. So this is the invention. And what is the extension? The expansion of a product, service, or a process. So that is the extension. Suppose the already product is available and we are doing some expansion. So this come under the category of extension. Then duplications, defined as the replication of the already existing product, service, or the process. So that is called the duplications. Then what is the synthesis? Synthesis is the combination of existing concept and factors into a new formulation. So this is called as a synthesis, right? So we are combining the existing concept and the factors into the new formulation. So this will be considered as a synthesis, right? So then the people having some myths related to the innovations. So basically the 5 myths are very popular. There are several myths, but the 5 myths are very popular associated with the innovations and what people are thinking. And also I came to know, and also I did some literature, and for that I found that there are 5 major myths are presented. So which are they? So they are like innovation is a plain and predictable. So this is the one also myth related to your innovations. Then technical specification should be thoroughly prepared in advance. So there will be a technical specification should be thoroughly prepared. So this kind of the myths people's having, but these are the not fact. Then creativity relies on dreams and blue sky ideas. Then big projects will develop better innovations. So this is not the things. Small projects also having a better innovation. Smaller ideas having a good futures. Technology is a driving force and innovation and success. So these are the some myths, and also a number of innovations which encompasses in large areas, and some having a number of principles of the innovations, and some principles are like one of the principle is to is action oriented. Suppose the entrepreneurs must always looking for the new ideas. So this come under the category of your action oriented kind of the entrepreneurship. Then making the product, process, or service in a simple and understandable is another example of the principal invention. So always we are suppose doing some product, launching some product, or doing some research. So what are the factors you are consider? like this product is which is really helpful, and these are solving out a particular problem which is existing one, and this is affordable to the common man, or we can say that this is a very simple and understandable, the user friendly. So this is the things which relate to the innovations, right? So here I am also adding some pictures related to the basic difference. Suppose we are just define the basic difference between the creativity, invention, and innovation. So the creativity is what? It is the acting of turning the new imaginative ideas into reality. Suppose you are having imaginations, you are imagining something, and in terms of your imagination is concerns, you are came to know about some new idea which is quite new. So then what is invention? So creative of the new idea or the concept. Then what is the innovation? Turning a new concept into the commercial success. Suppose we are having the ideas and we are already invented and we are planning to commercialize that particular product, and we are spreading that widespread throughout the globe. So this is under the category of your innovation, right? So like, let me tell you regarding this, what are the past, present, and the future of your creativity kind of a thing. So there is some quote which is already written by some scientists, like, how can we know where are going, right, without knowing first where we have been. So this is the, suppose one kind of a pole in front of you, and they are having so many options like disoriented, then you are pre-explained, then unclear, we are confused, then unsure, then we are already lost that particular path or the way, right? So then what is creativity? So there are lots of definitions which is available on the internet related to the creativity, but we will already discuss some definitions, and here the another definition or the another quote we can define using this quote as a creativity. So the ability to create and innovate has been observed throughout the history, and even though the fundamental tools may have changed, and the ability has been prevalent in every civilization. So we are having some creative and innovative observations in terms of the previously histories there, or previously fundamental things which is available, and using this ability you are changing the perception, you are changing the views, you are changing the useness of that particular product, and you are solving out the particular problems, and this product will be essential for your civilization, for your society. So this is called the creativity. So this famous thought is written by the Hirish Peters in 2005. So then if you discuss the past of the creativity, so how we can say that the past of the creativity or the old peoples are very creative? I think as per my observation, the old guys are very creative as per our generation is concerned, because we are having suppose we are discussing or we are going throughout the history. So then the process of the creations, whether we are having some finding some paintings, some musical compositions, and we are thought of as a spiritual experience, right? So this is an artist in some kind of your museums and expressions, and also we are having some different paintings which is available in some we can say that King's Darbar, and in some museums, or we can say that in some caves, and the artists were having the channels to superior power, creativity gift from the gods, like imaginations. Everything ever having a power of imaginations. Everything we can imagine, we don't do. Suppose suppose I want to buy a helicopter. So this is my imagination, right? So using this imagination, suppose I am having a thought process, can I design the same thing? Can we design? Can we are having alternative options? So like there are so many challenges. Like previously we are having the diesel car, petrol cars. Now we are having the electric cars, right? We are having a CNG cars. We are having the LPG cars. What is this? This is the innovation. This is the creativity. This is the products we are using, and using this product. Now we are having the ethanols. Now Honorable Minister Nitin Gadkari ji is always saying that in next 2 to 3 years, we are the price of the petrol and diesel car is equally to the electric cars, and they are mixing the ethanol. They are finding out the solutions, because we are having so many challenges and opportunities. So just focus on the particular things and start working on that. These are the references which I uh, take these thoughts and the definitions. So then let me give one comparative analysis, like a gift from the God, or we can say that a new phenomena like imaginations, or we can clarify the things like this is the nature's creations, and second column we are finding that the human creation. So what is the nature creation? Nature creation is your venoms, your poisons, and the human creation is your anesthesias, right? Then we are having some nature creation is a leaf, and the human creation is solar panel, energy from the light. Then the nature creation is your brain, and the human creation is your computer electronic circuitry, right? Then again the nature creation is your DNA, and what is the human creation? Computer program. The eardrum, it is a nature creation. Then the microphone, your ear is also eardrum, or we can using this kind, we are hearing, like suppose I am using the headphone, so I am hearing you people. Then the eye, this is the nature creation, and the camera, this is our imagination, this is our creativity, this is our innovation, and this is the camera. Suppose the Kodak is the company who launched the camera, first camera, I think, right? So the developer who, or the inventor who belongs to the Kodak, right? So this, first of all, they imagine, can we make some kind of a device who can capture your pictures, right? So then they are using some lenses, some focusing, some iris. Okay, then once they are having some idea, this is the creativity, and they are designing this prototype or the camera, this is the innovation, and they are selling out, they are already, they are what we can say that they are started his own company, and they are selling out that particular product. This is the entrepreneurship. I think you all clear related to this creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Then eyelid, this is a nature creation. Then your viper is human creation, right? Then your insert teeth, then knife, then the heart, the pump, right? Then spinal cord, they are communication, telephoning cables like the birds. Like, then human creation is the music. So this is the things. Then creativity, we already discussed. Then they are having the two views of the creativity. The first view is the elite view, and second one is the developmental view. So we will see what is the elite view and what is the developmental view. So in the elite view is concerned, so getting a new and valuable idea. Suppose we are having getting a new and valuable idea. So these come under the category of your elite view. The rare talent, or unable to taught, or we can say that creating the great works of art of or scientific discoveries, or not relevant in my job or the organization, a lonely individual process. And whenever we are discussing about the developmental view, so it is available to everyone. So this is developmental. Like enlightenment means this is not available, and the development, it is already developed and it is available to everyone. Right? Then evident in the personal and modest insight within the scope of all jobs, encourage or discourage within the groups according to their climate. Right? So which view do you agree with you? Like what are the views you have? The reality, like creativity is not, or can we develop in the all persons, or every body having some walk of life, and their thinking process, your imagination process. So you can define yourself what is the view you are having. Then the three major components of the creativity. So first is the domain relevant skill, then second one is the creative process, and third one is the aesthetic task like motivation. So these are the three components of creativity, right? So then the stages in a creative thoughts. So what are the stages which is involved in the creative thoughts? Like preparation. Suppose you are having some idea, so you are continuously working on that particular idea. So you are preparing yourself. You are having some preparation of that particular thing. Then the incubation. Means I am having a raw idea, and some incubation center is already developed at your college or the university. So you have to incubate that raw idea, and the people who is in incubation manager or the director of the incubations will develop your ideas, and it will form a prototype or a concrete product. Then insight, what are the insights? Then the evaluation, what kind of the evaluations suppose you are going to evaluate. Then the elaborations, how we can elaborate the things. So then again, what is an innovations? There is a second things which we want to again discuss. Like innovation is a newness and adding the values. We are having the functional values, symbolic values. So as far as the functional value is concerned, so we are the functional value is always having a technological driven approach, and the symbolic value having a designing approach, designing driven approach. Then what are the degrees of newness? So radial innovation as well as the incremental innovation. So we will discuss both the degrees of the newness. Like, is this innovation is a part of radical innovation, or this innovation is a part of incremental innovation? Okay. So I designed one table related to that to differentiate between the incremental improvement and the radial innovation. So basically, the major these are the characteristics, like 12 characteristics which is available. But the major difference is, suppose we are discussing collective group efforts. So these come under the category of incremental improvement, right? And just a minute. And after that, suppose we are having the individual ideas and efforts. So these come under the category of radical innovations. Okay. Then what is the new innovations? So what you define as a new, how on the basis of how we can define that this is a new innovation. So like can mean different things to the different peoples. So new to the world, suppose they are having a new concept in the world like 10%, or new to the firms 20%. These are the measuring criteria of the, on the basis of that we can say that this is a new innovation. Then addition of existing product as well as the process like 26%. The cost reduction, suppose always the product is a launch in the market, so we have to reduce the cost. So this is the things. Then then the repositioning is the new to the market, like geography as well as the segments, and new to the season. Suppose I am having an idea. Suppose I want to launch some jacket or some sweater. So this is a season based, like in the winter season. Suppose I am selling out my sweaters in the rainy season, so there will be no sense, right? And the geographic, suppose some areas which is really cold, like Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, or some part in like your Kodaikanal or your Mysore. So there will be some geographical segment will be useful, or there will be a very what we can say that hot places or the humidity like Mumbai and the Kolkata, and there we are selling out the sweaters, so nobody is a buyer. So this is the things. Then the new meanings and new concepts. So this is the innovative things. What is this? Yes. I'm expecting the session is interactive, but I think nobody is responding. Am I audible? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. So just a minute. Yeah, so this is the bookcase, right? So these are the different design which is somebody is invented in the market. Like in this way they can design. Already we generally prefer the bookshelves or the bookcase which is available in your library. This is the steel like a steel almirah. So we are just putting your books. So instead of that, there are so many innovative things. They are also capturing the less amount of the area and the large amount of book you can store here, right? So this is the innovative things. Like then again the new meanings and the new concept are like so many things which is available, like some forks or some the pictures which is in front of you are having different options like of the fork and the spoons. Then there are some new meanings which is the new innovations, like we are always some girls or some women are wearing some sandals. So there are some different sandals which is available in the pictures, but there is some different and the new meaning and the new innovation kind of a thing. So can you just observe this heel of that particular sandals or the pictures in front of you, like, so these are the different one. Then again the revolution existing concept. What are the revolutionize the existing concept? So first of all we are having some what we can say that the card, and we are sending the letters. Then after that the emails, then Facebook. Then we are having some phones like walkie talkies or some wireless phones. Then after that your smartphone was launched. then your iPad is launched. So these are the some revolutionize the existing concepts. So these are, what is this? This is the creativity. This is the innovations. Suppose the Apple companies, Steve Jobs, this is having a creative minds, and they are thinking that can we launch the iPad? Can we give some options? Then it will be booming in the market. Like Mark Zuckerberg is launched the Facebook, so everybody is in the Facebook, right? And sending out the mails. So these are again, the not all the innovations are successful. Some innovations are not successful. Like there are some examples I'm giving. This is the pen drive. This is the innovative thing. Suppose we are having your thumb and again the plug. So somebody is just the first observation. Oh, this is a finger or this is a thumb, but this is a pen drive. Then the innovations is equal to the invention and the commercialization. So this is the teapot, and suppose there will be some liquid which is available in that teapot, then directly it will go to the outside, or something is the structure. There will be so imaginations. Then again, neither all the fashion trends, there are some fashion trends, they are also having some innovative kind of the ideas, and the fashion trends is there. So then what is the entrepreneurship? We already discussed this. Entrepreneurship is the identification of the evaluation, exploration of the opportunities. So we will also discuss the historic evaluation of the entrepreneurship. So basically this historical invention is started from the 13th century in the French Worm Enterprise, and they also designed some Marco Polo route for that time to going and reaching out the particular countries. And also there are so many definitions is available for the entrepreneurship. So we can I will already discuss some definitions, and there are some other definitions which is available in my slide. So, and also I'm added who invented this kind of the definitions. So basically this definition is invented by the Baumol in 1968, and after that the Mellin in 2003. So Mellin says that all who claim have the quad sight of him report, and he is enormous but discouraged on his particulars. So this is again the Indian scientist Venkat Ramanan in 1977 says that entrepreneurship is essentially an economic phenomenon and involves a nexus of two phenomena. What are the two phenomena? The first one is the presence of equitative opportunities and the presence of the enterprising individuals. So this is the things. And who are these individuals? Like then again we can say that the historical views from the economics, whenever we are launching some products, so they are having some economically viable. So there are some economic theories and of the entrepreneurship, like we are having the risk taker theory, then capitalist theory, then technological knowledge, then we are having alertness, the innovators, the novel resources. So which entrepreneurs can you name? Can you tell me some name of the entrepreneurs in your minds? So there are some, again we are saying that the Microsoft, have you used your computers? So this is a creativity, this is the innovation, your personal computers, so which is designed by your Intel, your Microsoft, your Dell, your Apple. Have you surfed the web? You are always surfing out through the web browser, Netscape, your Google, your Chrome, Mozilla. Then again you are purchasing some internet, like internet realistic, then eBay, using the PayPals. Then again you are doing some mobile, have you made some mobile phone calls, like cellular services, like email services? Again can you use some handheld wireless communication like BlackBerry or the Ring? Then again can you, the question I'm asking you, like have you taken your car in for fast oil change, like service is available, like Quick Fit? Then again we are having some budget flight, like you are Ryanair or anything, SpiceJet, or already in the Make My Trip. There are some revolutionaries, like we are having some, you are bought some coffees like from Starbucks, like you are having some bought some your DYP products like your home depot, as well as you listening some songs or the music using the iPod. So this is designed by the Apple. So these are the names, right? So using these names, we can say that these are the entrepreneurs and they already designed the products which we are using nowadays. So what they do? So they are having some entrepreneurship, like having the freedom, like changing out the worlds, you have freedom to use that particular product. They are changing the worlds. They are also responsible for doing a progress, the new business ideas. Then how do they do it? How they can do it? Because they are having some plan or the unplan. Suppose this is the customer and you are launching the product. So always you are having some plan. Suppose you are having a good plan, then your product is always popular. And you are having didn't having any plan and you are just launching your product. So this product is not successful. So this is the basic entrepreneurship process. What are the explanations and the opportunities available, and we have to grab out that particular opportunities. Due to the time constraint, I am moving fast, so sorry for that. So it's a very what we can say that it's a very big and huge topic. So at least we have to 2 to 3 lecture for that. But we are combining and clubbing out the 3 different parts in the same lecture. So then again, I am giving you the example, basic example of your creativity, invention, and innovation. So for that purpose, I designed one table. Like in the first column, I have the we have the creativity. In the second, we are having the invention, and third one having the innovation. The best example of all these 3 content is your Uber. How many of you know about the Uber and the Ola? So basically, the Uber is concerned. So this is a very creative ideas, and using creative idea, this is the creativity. And using that in case of the Uber, the creativity was necessary in producing out the concept of the ride sharing. Can you share your rides and making the driving jobs accessible to an individual? So this is the creativity. And what is the invention? The product designer business modes or the working prototypes. And what are the innovation kind of the things? Because successful products and the services like care of your different things which is available, like Amazon Spot, then your Google self-driving taxis. These are the innovative things, right? So this is the creativity is done by the Uber, and then innovation and the invention and the innovation is continuously going on. Then another example is your Google Glass. Then again, Uber channel will invented a new creating solid and business model for the peoples and the creativity stage, as well as the innovation part is concerned. So the successful process of like your Amazon predictive orders and additive manufacturing process. So these are the basic examples, and also I want to give a very good example in terms of this all the 3 things is related. So the rise of your Levi's. How many of you know the history of the Levi's? Basically the problems means many years ago they are having a problems of the clothes for mining workers do not last. So for that purpose, Levi's comes into the picture, and he designed a jeans for that purpose. So they are introducing the solution, like first pair of the jeans by the Levi's. That time they are having some problems for the working peoples in the cloth mining, and they are lost that particular things. So this is the history. Then again, I am give the one of the best example. Like what are the opportunities for the pizza business? Suppose you want to start your pizza business. So every time I already discussed you or told you regarding, you have to find out the problems. So these are the 2 different columns. In the first columns, we are having the customer points of the pain. What are the customer point of view? And another is the owner's challenge. Just a minute. So what are the customer's pains or customer point of view? Suppose you are looking for the problems or finding for the problems, like pizzas arrive late sometimes due to the traffic, due to the roads, pizzas arrive late. Pizza arrives cold. They are packing pizzas in a hot, but suppose at your place, the pizza will be the cold. Then phone takes too long to be answered. Suppose you are calling to that particular person who is delivering your order. So they are having a very, we can say that, they are not easily answered your call. Then order taken is incomprehensible. Then again, pizza test of the packaging. So they are packing that particular product, so that might be test, maybe change. And like pizza arrives late, the pizza arrives cold. These are the some points which have the customer points to of pain. So we are having some points. like these are the packing issues, then order taken issues, phone taking issues, arrives pizza arrives cold issue, pizza arrives late issue. So what are the challenges? There are the location is bad or rent is high, the bad management is there, the labor is expensive and unreliable, it's difficult to schedule backing with the deliveries, packing is made of the low quality of the paper, suppose they are not using the silver foil quality, so that time these are the some things, right? So then again, the locating a business ideas. So these are some locating of the business ideas internationally. We are having some networks, R&D, some platforms. We are having solutions, customers. This is the WHO. We can say that internationally or globally, we are selling examples. WHO is always giving us a guideline for this COVID-19 situation. Nowadays, the Omicron is also launch. Or Omicron is also some people are suffering from this Omicron. So then searching for the business opportunities in 360 degrees. We are having always in a 360 degrees. Half circle is a 180 and half circle is a 180. So we are adding that 180 and around your circles. We are having a lots of opportunities in R&Ds, in your networking, in your logistics, your value chain, your revenue models. There are having different solutions, the platforms. So locating the business ideas, having different points like products, solutions, customers, your value chains, your R&D, your channels. So then again, there are other techniques to be seen for your ideas, like how we can evaluate the opportunity screening. So we have to do the screening as well as industry market, what is available, what are the economically viable or not, what is the harvest issues. Then what is in the terms of the screening? Screening is a systematic approach. They can parallelize with the analysis approach. So using the screening, we can analyze what is going on. This is the evaluation process of your business opportunities, right? Then the entrepreneurs creative and innovative acts like Dare to Dream, like we are having some always listen the ad Dar Ke Aage Jeete Mountain Dew. So they are having always Dare to Dream. And the Dare to Dream is a competition is also organized by the government of India and the DRDO. So in future, I think you will be a part of that particular competition. Then always be creative, do things which other refuse. Then the new ones can start from the forgotten old ones and stop and look around. Then the last picture of my presentation is don't limit yourselves. So these are the things. Suppose if you observe this picture, so this is the persons who is eating the some noodles or using this. So it's a very hot. So they are putting a fan. So in terms of this no need to wait for that. They can eat directly, right? Suppose you may want to protect your shoes or your sandals, so they can put the umbrella or they can adding the umbrella in terms of that, right? Or this kind of the innovations is also. Then again, we are having some if you are having some chappals and sandals and you just kill a particular insect, so using this. So these are the so many things and so many opportunities which is available. So with this I stop, and if you have any questions, then please ask.
Thank you so much, sir, for such an inestimable information. Now I request Mr. Sumit Sarvade, sir, to conduct the question and answer session. Over to you, sir.
Hello. I'm audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So, sir, we have some questions from our students. I will read the question, sir. So, may I read the question, sir?
Yes, sure.
Sir, first question from our students. What is your view on failure of startups in India and reason?
Yeah, it's a very good question. First of all, I would like to thank those who are asking the question, because I already told you guys, like we are having unplanned startup and the ideas. Suppose I am having a one idea in my mind. So this is a raw idea. So what I want to do for that, just I want to go for the incubations, or I want to design a business plan, and I also want to search out what are the challenges and what are the opportunities, what is the markets, what is the capitals, everything. So many people are having the idea, they are having a good ideas, and also try to capture some funds from the different government authorities as well as the private authorities, right? So what people generally are doing in India, they are having some idea, but they are didn't having some particular plan of business plan. They are how to commercialize that particular idea, what is the market for that, how we can do the commercializations, and the thing is like that. Suppose you are having an idea, you are having the innovative kind of the products or prototypes, and you are you are going to commercialize that particular product. So always be patient. People's having in India, and some new guys having don't they are having very less patience in terms of. So they are just focusing on that and continuously working on that. Always do the some market survey, what is going on in the market. Suppose I want to launch some earphone in the market, so just first of all study for that, what are the existing products is available, what is the cost of that particular product, what are the features they are providing to us, what is the cost of that particular products. So what in terms of what I can overcome that drawbacks of that particular products, right? And how we can reduce that cost, how we can design the product is user friendly. So all there are so many aspects, but the major aspect I already discussed with you. So due to that, people are getting failure in the startup.
Okay, sir. Shall I move to the next question, sir?
Yeah, sure.
So we have seen that many people are copying business models and not coming with innovation ideas. What is your view about this, sir?
Yeah, it's again a good question, and I forget telling you people, like suppose you are having an idea, or you are having some ability to design that particular prototype. So always do one thing, that you have to copyright your product, your logos, your symbols, your things. You also prefer for the copyright and the patents. And before launching some products in the market, you have to find out whether this product is available in the market already or not. And suppose I launching, then what are the difference parameters? Suppose I'm going to adapt from the previous one. So this is the thing. So always we search for that, whether this product is available or not, and also aware about the copyright, the act. So somebody is already launched that particular product, and you are doing the same product, and you might be not aware about it. So what happened in that case, the people who is already invented that particular product, they might be file a case against you, like you are and under the Copyright Act. So always be careful, and you have to make for that patent attorney, as well as some websites are also available, or you can just Google out what is this product is available or not. And suppose this product is already available, then you have to change some thing in that particular product, and you may also prefer for the copyright for your product as well as the patent. Then nobody can say like that this product is mine or is already is there. But first you have to search it out, and there is a no suppose you didn't find any related terms or related things, then you have to first before commercializing your product, you have to get the copyright and the patent, and then you will go into the markets. So this is the best practice.
Thank you so much, sir. There will be a last question. We received a lot of questions, but due to the limit of time,
okay, I understand. You can just share my email ID. I can answer all the
definitely,
questions.
sir.
And I am really happy because I think somebody is giving a talk and there is having questions. So this is the things like they are understanding.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
So, last question, sir. Can we consider unsuccessful innovation in terms of innovation? If yes, then how?
Yeah, suppose you are having some ideas or some invention kind of a things, and you are getting unsuccessful. So what you have to do, you have to just find out some possibilities and opportunities whether you have. or you can apply for the incubation, startup incubation. There are having so many incubation center which is available in India as well as the abroads. So you can just apply for that startup incubation, and the incubation, the thing of the incubation is that you are having a raw idea, and suppose you are continuously getting the failure. So they are helping out you to be a successful entrepreneurs and how you can do the things like there. And again, I want to tell you regarding this. Suppose you are having some ideas, you are having some creative minds and creative thoughts. So just copyright and patent it is the best practice, as well as you have to register your company. So there are the three things for the company registration, like proprietorship, then LLP, and a private limited firm. So many times I observe that so many students having a good ideas, and they want to apply for the startup incubation program or the startup competitions, and they are searching or they are looking out for the funding opportunities, but unfortunately they are not eligible. So the eligibility criteria is that for to having the you already having established your company. So always they are asking for if you are having individual or the company, and if you are having company, whatever it may be, like proprietorship or LLP or the private limited. So you just having you received a certificate from government of India, and in terms of that, government is taking the initiatives, and they are also waiving off the fees for filing the companies, and you are also applying, or you are eligible to participate not only for the competitions but also for the seed grants and the funds. Suppose you are looking for the funds, and suppose there is a one competition or their event is going on like the Dubai Expo, and you are having some idea. So what I am only having my idea. So suppose I am already registered my copyright, I am getting copyright, my patents, my company. So I am just giving my card to that particular person, concerned person. I am saying that I am the director of that particular company, and we are having our own website. We are focusing on that particular problems, right? And we are looking for the funding. So, and you are always keep your presentation with you, like what you are going to solve, what are your ideas, what are your imaginations, and there will be one very popular web series features for the Flipkart guys. Like they are thinking out, there are so many people in terms of the academics, some in terms of the software engineers, they are just resign their jobs and they are started working on that. And nowadays you can see what is the power of Flipkart and Amazon. So this is the things. There are so many success stories around you, people. But do your work always in a smart way, systematic way. Follow some rules and regulation, the rules and regulation, the dignities, and the proper way and the proper channel, and in a well-planned structure. You are always having your business plan. So these are the important things and the issues that I want to discuss.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind cooperation and answering all our students' doubts. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I request my colleague, Ms. Ashita Iyer, to conclude today's session and convey vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, am I audible to everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. Good afternoon to everyone present here. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event, and to all those who are present digitally over here. First of all, I deem it a great honor and privilege to convey our thanks to our most respected and beloved secretary of this prestigious college, Director Sir Engineer R. Durai, our academic director Sir, Principal Sir, and President of IIC Dr. Balapurusamy Sir, and Vice Principal Sir. My sincerest gratitude to our resource person of today, Dr. Sumek Thariwal ji, for delivering his session on the most happening and in-demand topic, that is creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. I'm sure, sir, the participants have been inspired by your achievements and the experience that you have gained living them. And of course, I would like to thank my team members, my faculty investors, for always working with a team spirit, and whenever it comes to organizing anything on behalf of our department and college, we are always working as a team. And lastly, I thank all of our curious participants who are always driven by curiosity, innovation,